B2B interactions of mobile businesses?
So the critical issue in the B2B mobile business, it involves the ability to respond quickly and accurately and in real time. The use of wireless communication and supply chain management involves increasing mutual interest in collaborative business transactions, combining their B2B exchange of information, in which it would be an easier flow, improving the efficiency of the organizational supply chain since time factor has been reduced, information flow, rapid ordering and payment processes, productivity of entire supply chain management.
Now, if logistics, logistics are very important especially for B2B and in supply chain management.
So the effective logistic management provides on-time delivery for manufacturing enterprises to retail firms. They can optimize cost reduction and customer satisfaction. As well, they as have an effective communication between call centers and logistic managers in the product delivery path guides, schedule changes, arrival time, notification.
Do you know what is the most important thing in supply chain management? Time. Okay,
Time.
so time is with uncertainty. Yeah, see, very good. Yeah, so you pick the most important thing. Uncertainty is a very big issue in supply chain management. And second most important thing is the cost reduction. Yeah, so the cost reduction is also very important. Sometimes in supply chain management, most of the things like there is like a waste waste reduction is like is need to be achieved over there. For example, if you look at the industry of food industry, so you might have seen that in lot of the food industry or in restaurants or in a buffet system, most of the food is wasted over there. So why? Because there is a problem in the supply chain management. The information flow is not accurate. The information flow from the raw material to the end product is not that efficient over there. So there is an uncertainty involved that how much food will be consumed and how much supply should be there over there. So if you if the time is managed, if the uncertainty is managed, so then we can have we can obtain the optimization in the cost reduction, and also we can have customer satisfaction and good revenue as well. So there is a win-win situation for customer as well as for the businesses.
And the mobile-based logistic management involves vehicle utilization, location-based information transmission, logistic route management, driving time management.